right, Edward, here's your 427 small block Ford. Just got that done on it. Give you a description of this combination. Obviously, it's got the Shelby aluminum block, AFR center heads. It's got the Borla stack injection. Fuel management, obviously, is Terminator X, great system. And we converted it to a solid roller for you. It's got the GT40 front end. Got the Aviaid Oil Pan. Take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3,600, 478 foot-pounds of torque. Look like a peak torque 533. Peak horsepower 575. Good flat up there. We rated 575. It was a hydraulic roller. Front end's about 15 or 20. So the solid roller was worth probably about 15 or so. So everything runs good. Get her off there, get in a crate, come your way. Have a great day.